Welcome back to my channel. It's been a little minute since I did a vlog, so I decided I wanted to vlog for you guys. I'm sitting a little awkward because if I, put you this way, the sun comes in and the lighting is all crazy. Today I have a lot of things to do, so I wanted to share with you guys, and I'm really excited because tomorrow I have a photo shoot. I don't know if you follow my Instagram, but every Tuesday I've been shooting with my friend John. It's been like so fun. It's been such a great experience because we just have so much fun and I feel so comfortable with him taking my pictures and stuff. So tomorrow we're going to be going to like a waterfall out in nature, and usually every Tuesday we go into nature, which is like so amazing. I recently just watched an earthing video for Skylife, her channel, and she was talking about earthing and stuff. I mean, I was doing it before. I watched her video, but I just learned so much. Like, our connection with the earth when like our bare feet are on the earth is like insane, and I totally felt that. So we had this one picture that I was standing in the mud and with my bare feet, and it was just like, holy crap, like I felt like I was home. Like it's just wild. I know some people are gonna think I'm crazy, but like it's whatever. Call me crazy, I don't care. But I just felt like this strong connection, and ever since then, like I've been like craving to just go outside. As you saw, I did a flow outside this morning, and it was so magical. Today is actually it's a pink super full moon. So I'm watching a video now about it. It's actually in Scorpio, so a lot of emotions are going to be with this one. And she was also talking about like manifesting. So definitely going to be having a little ritual. I'll show you guys. I usually just do a bath and, journal and all that good stuff. So I'll show you that. What else do I have to do today? I have to do laundry. I have to clean. I don't know if you could see it back there. I have some of my winter stuff. I'm going to pull all my summer stuff out, put some of my winter stuff away. And I washed my hair last night, so I have to wash out this mask. I did try a new mask. I actually liked it. I'll show you later what it is because I don't feel like getting up. Clearly it's been a little minute since I've talked to you guys, so sorry I'm like rambling. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for listening to me rant. Definitely subscribe if you resonate with anything that is on my channel. So I switched my schedule a little bit. I'm gonna start posting on Sundays and film Monday and Tuesday, because if I just post on Thursday, it doesn't give me a lot of time to edit, and I have work Wednesday through Sunday, so it's a lot easier for me to do that. So officially posting videos on Sunday, and that's gonna be my day. And then whatever yoga flows you guys want me to do, just let me know. Last one I did was yoga in bed. That was so much fun. I definitely need to start doing that every single night because I've had like the best sleep of my life. And yeah, any other content you want to see from me, just let me know, since I want to have more of a schedule. And the last thing I want to mention is my website. I've been working so hard on it. It's going to be coming out soon. My goal is the end of this month or the beginning of next month, because I keep putting it off, and I don't know why I'm putting it off. I guess I'm just nervous that you guys won't like it, but it's my website, you understand? So like, I don't really care, but I do care because I love you guys. So I just have to get over that and just post it. But yeah, on that note, welcome to this video. This is vlogging, like I said. So I'll be vlogging today and tomorrow so you guys can see where we're going to be on our location and stuff and what it is to have like a photo shoot. It's so much fun. So yeah, right now I just finished my waffles, as you saw. I have the juice. I forgot to mention that. I have the juice. And what I've been doing, if I don't have juice, I have chlorophyll in here. So it's just like a green, it's what plants use to photosynthesize, I think. I feel like that's not correct, but correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. But I just put like 15 drops in here, so I still get some type of green juice. So yeah, I'm gonna drink this. I'm gonna finish this video about everything I need to know about this moon today. And it's gonna be a really chill vlog today. That's it. So I will catch up with you guys later. I am whispering because Travis is still sleeping. It is almost 8 o'clock. I don't have a lot of time because I still have to get ready, but I just wanted to catch up with you from last night because after my bath, I literally passed out. Oh my God, it was so relaxing. So yeah, I charged all my crystals last night and I put them on the ground, which did my research that that's the best way to charge them because they're directly on the earth. So I did that. I collected them this morning. Excuse my voice. I literally just woke up like an hour ago. I made my moon water. So if you want to know how to make it, check out my Instagram. I just made a little reel about it. Oh, Jester's throwing up, of course. Poor thing. I'm going to have to check on that in a second. And it is Benji's birthday today, so I do have to go get him some treats. And I have a toy upstairs that he hasn't even seen yet, so I'm just going to give him that. It's like a little laser thing. And then I don't have any more oatmeal, so I made some avocado toast. And I have my juice that I mixed with my moon water from last night. So yeah, I still have to get ready. Like I said, we're going to go to... Oh my God, my arm is freaking tired. We're going to go to like a waterfall park type thing. We're going to go somewhere else, but apparently it's like 2 hours away from here. So, and I need to be back at a certain time for my aerial yoga. So we're going to do that. I'm going to take you guys along with me. And yeah, let me eat this, check on Jester because I have to see if he's okay. And I will see you guys later. Hey guys, it's future Aryelle here. Realized that I didn't do an outro, so I just wanted to say goodbye. I'm currently in bed because I sprained my pinky toe. I can't. I actually did it that day that we did the photo shoot. I did it in the morning, and then you saw like we ended up walking and hiking and doing all that stuff, so it definitely made it worse. It is definitely a lot better than it was Wednesday, but I'm still in bed trying to recover. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. If you resonated with anything in this video or on my channel, please subscribe. I would love if you do that and give this video a thumbs up because it does support my channel. Comment down below any other videos that you want to see that I can create for you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!